To turn on or turn off Spotify offers and bundles email notifications in iPhone 14 Pro, open Spotify settings, find Spotify in home screen, and then tap Spotify. Next, tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, notifications, and then tap notifications. Select Spotify offers and bundles, and then on where you will receive notifications, tap email switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off special offers for Spotify Premium and our partners email notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.